How to get plus plus apps on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch without jailbreaking. What's up guys, welcome back to the Hack Store, and in this video I will be showcasing a website from where you can download hack game, plus plus app and much more. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing is first guys, you need to go to the website I have shown in this video, from where you need to install their profile, and you can install profile just going to, once profile is downloaded, you need to go to the setting, go to the general, go to profile and device management and install the profile, and you are good to go. Now you can open the website or application which is the IPA box, from where you can get tons of head games for free without paying any money. So you can see, so basically it's an online web-based application from where you can like get CD alternatives. So you can see you have recently added, which is mean it's working 100% real, and you can get Instagram plus plus, YouTube plus plus, Snapchat plus plus and much more guys, without jailbreaking, absolutely free. You don't need to pay anyone. So guys, make sure you subscribe my channel because I'm working very hard. You can support me just by liking and subscribing my video. It doesn't matter if you don't like, but you need to watch full video guys. So I understand how I am working, so I need your support. Please don't hate, just you guys need, I need love. So make sure you are new. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe my channel, and I will be catching you into the next video. Until then, one piece, and you have like all hack games, plus plus app, tweak app, paid games, paid application without jailbreaking. You can easily get it. So thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, and make sure you smash that like button, and I will be catching you into the next